Hi there, I'm Rai from Vanimal, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble our compartment racking with angled shelves. Now the tools that you're going to need are an impact driver with a PH2 Phillips bit. Now we have everything laid out from our top shelf, middle shelf and our two bottom shelves. The two bottom shelves are the slope shelves and the two top ones have the dividers within them. We're going to start with the top by placing our dividers into the base and showing the rough side on the top and the smooth side on the outside. Now we'll start by inserting our dividers. The section with the lower part goes towards the front and the part with the wider bit goes towards the back. We'll slot those in, pushing them down firmly. From here, we'll now lift it onto the back panel and push that firmly in. Now we're ready to put the front fascia on. Again, that's the rough side to the inside and the smooth to the out. Line that up with your lugs. Now we'll secure it together with two screws. There's one just here and the other one is here. Now there's another 4 screws to go in, another 2 on the base and the 2 on the back. So we'll lay that on its top. Now we'll flip it onto its front and do the last 2. Now we can repeat the same process for the next shelf down. Now from here we're going to move on to our slanted shelves or sloped shelves and then go on to inserting them into the side panels. So for our sloped ones, we're going to leave the back one on the ground and bring the base to that. Remember, the rough side is on the inside and the smooth is on the out. Now to secure the two together, we have 1 screw to go in the back. So just stand that up, pop that in its place. Now we'll repeat the process again for the bottom shelf. So from this point, we can now start to move our shelves into our side panel. To do that, we're going to lift it up and then bring it down and slot it into the holes that correspond with that particular shelf. Our front fascia is the flat surface here, and the back is the curved. Once this shelf's in, we're going to do the same with the next, and then the next, and the next. For our slope shelves, the principle is exactly the same, locating your 3 lugs here onto the corresponding position on the side shelf. Now from this point, we can get the other panel and then slot that on the top. So we'll just line this up with our shelves. We're now going to start securing the 2 halves. We're going to use 8 screws on this side and 8 screws on the other side. Now I'll flip this over and do the same on the opposite side. This completes the assembly of our compartment racking with angled shelves. Thank you for watching.